Maritime History Society celebrates 42 years of academic service to the cause of Indian maritime heritage. We are sure that the first part of our video would have caught your interest, and it is time to meet our team. For years, the MHS had an austere functional team. Today, we have the privilege of a full spectrum of capabilities, and you will be happy to meet Team MHS.
I am Amruta Tayodekar, Research Associate at the Maritime History Society. My primary role is to engage in the built heritage and technical aspects within the maritime domain. Being at MHS, my core interest in the maritime heritage lies in the evolution of Bombay as a port city, including various maritime elements like construction of docks, defense installations, and forts, and the shipbuilding heritage of India prior to the advent of steamships.
I am Denard D'Souza, Research Associate at the Maritime History Society. My primary role at the MHS is to research on topics concerning ancient India and its maritime heritage. This includes trade, cultural exchange, and navigational practices, to name a few.
I am Aishwarya Devasthai and I am an archaeologist. I did my masters in ancient Indian history, culture and archaeology from Pune. So apart from being an archaeologist, I am a heritage lover, an artist, a traveler full of wanderlust. I joined Maritime History Society on 3rd April 2020 as a project research associate.
Greetings, I am Janvi Lokegaonkar. I am a research associate at the Maritime History Society. My research process experience has helped me realize that clarity in purpose and patience are most important for successful progress in research. Our research is a tool for building knowledge and facilitating learning.
I am Sabha Burkar and I am the Academic Assistant at Maritime History Society. I have been a part of this organization for 4 months. This lockdown has pushed me to rely more on technology as MHS introduced work from home with the help of G Suite and college introduced online lectures, so quite a lot of time is spent online.
Hello, I am Paddy Afsar Rohit Kumar Yadav. I have been serving at MHS since October 2017. I have seen lots of administrative and academic development at MHS.
Good day, myself Sahil Mullah, associated with Maritime History Society since last 3 years as an executive associate. When I joined MHS, our vision was to go digital by using technologies. The lockdown has given us an opportunity such as attending the online meeting as we all are working from home and taking a step towards spreading the awareness of maritime history on social media platforms.
I am Ashwini Navathe. I am a lawyer turned history and museum professional. I have joined as an archives and collection associate at the Maritime History Society. My primary role is to manage the artifacts and collections that hail from a wide range of categories. My interest in maritime sector revolves around the role that sea plays as a key global connector.
Greetings, my name is Matthew, the Assistant Director at Maritime History Society. My primary role is to support the Maritime History Society team with operations and training.
My name is Soni Vatva. I work with the research team at MHS, helping the scholars with whatever they need in their projects. This lockdown has given me an opportunity to think about time and its relationship with past and history. For those of us missing the daily life before the lockdown, aren't we talking about it as if it were a different era? What did we do with our time then, and what are we doing with it now? At MHS, we keep thinking about how time unfolds on our waters. I hope you think about how it unfolds on the sea of your life.
Hello everyone, I am Commodore Vikram Bakshi, appointed as the Additional Director at the Maritime History Society. I primarily look after the aspects of infrastructure and works related to the society and am a part of the administrative setup. The current lockdown has given me the opportunity to catch up on some reading related to maritime affairs.
The Ops team at MHS functions with a focus on 5 segments in a cross-connected manner. Sagarala is the apex attention evolving into a future-ready maritime knowledge center that will become a digital resource. Manthan is our primary attention to academic research. Meghdut function takes our message to the wider world, while Samudra Sindhu harnesses the resources of collections and archives in a museological output which will fructify soon. To bridge all these elements, Setu is the functional component that integrates all elements. We have a range of projects on the anvil, covering a wide canvas from maritime heritage to nautical knowledge and even sea forts along the Konkan coast. A major highlight that grips us into a potential opportunity is to commemorate naval heritage and maritime contribution through museum and memorials. It's an ambitious focus that the team is excited to progress even amidst the ongoing lockdown. Come and be a part of our journey. MHS is for you and needs you through participation in making of content, spreading a word, supporting financially, and a commitment to learn of our maritime heritage. Please follow us, especially over the next 2 weeks. Join us for a special session of Maritime Tribute and Commemoration on 26 May 2020. Please await news of the launch of our website and programs very soon. Thank you. Jai Hind. Samna Varuna.